Cardano supporters have been wondering for a long time whether ADA will ever reach $10. So, what does the world's first peer-reviewed crypto altcoin's future hold? Several researchers have determined that Cardano might reach $5 and possibly $20 before the year is out in 2025. Hello and welcome to Coin Daily. In this video we will explain why you should own 1000 Cardano. Let's begin. The fascinating thing about this is that both the Cardano development team and crypto analysts believe that these price levels can only be achieved if the Cardano development team undertakes rapid network upgrades. In the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on Cardano's price. Consider the direction of Bitcoin's price and adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. Will these elements, however, be significant enough to determine Cardano's price by 2025? Before the price prediction, please subscribe to the channel, it is very helpful me. Cardano price prediction: ADA prices are expected to range from $5 to $20 by 2025, according to many projections. However, based on a variety of specific events in the crypto universe, the price of ADA could be higher or lower than this range. According to a longer-term prediction, the price of ADA will reach $1.70 in the middle of 2022 and rise by $3 in the fourth quarter of 2023. Throughout 2024 and 2025, it will continue to trade above this price level with a support level of $5. Cardano is expected to trade near to the $10 price level by the end of 2025, according to analysts at the Crypto Research Study. Most people predict that the altcoin will continue to rise in price margins in the future, and that it will eventually reach the $100 threshold. However, speculating on the coin's future price direction will not be out of place if we look at its historical price performance and upcoming changes to the Cardano network. So, in order to calculate 1000 tokens, how much would Cardano be worth in 2025? An overwhelming majority of specialists believe the ADA coin will have surpassed the $5 mark. The most optimistic predict that the altcoin will have hit $75 by the end of the year. Will Cardano reach $5 by 2025? In this post, we'll look at some of the reasons that analysts and ADA investors use to back their predictions for the Cardano altcoin. The gentlemen at 11news.com estimate that by the end of 2025, the price of an ADA coin will have risen between $5 and $10. They made this forecast based on the premise that the Cardano network's revolutionary technology will soon allow it to dominate the decentralized applications ecosystem. Meanwhile, analysts at CoinSwitch are pessimistic about the performance of the ADA price in 2025. Despite their optimism that ADA's price would continue to rise, they anticipate its worth will not exceed $3 by the end of 2025. Cardano would have to treble its market capitalization and have a 450% price increase to reach $5. Cardano has had a 600% price increase so far this year, the majority of which is due to the continuing crypto boom and the Mary protocol on its roadmap. Will Cardano reach $10 by 2025? Crypto Research Reports, a blockchain and crypto news website, believes that the value of the ADA will continue to rise over the next few years, with the ADA likely approaching the $10 mark at $9.50 by the end of 2025. CryptoGeek experts believe that the value of the Cardano cryptocurrency will continue to rise in the next years. They predict that by the end of 2025, the altcoin will have reached $5 and will most likely have reached $10. Most experts have based their opinions on the altcoin's capacity to deliver the different projects on the Cardano roadmap on time. They also believe that, just as the previous protocol upgrade was enough to send ADA token prices up by 600%, the completion of the remaining major Cardano roadmaps will be enough to bring the altcoin's price up another 885% to $10. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who was also a co-founder of Ethereum. He recently stated that if he and his team can implement the network's vision in a timely manner, ADA's value will skyrocket. He underlined Cardano's third-generation blockchain framework. As a result, it's easier to use than the vast majority of blockchains. As a result, he expects it to gain widespread popularity fast and overtake the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains, which are now the most popular digital payment system and dApp creation platforms. How much will Cardano be worth in 5 years? Do you know that Cardano had a return on investment of nearly 6,000% between September 2017 and April 2021, and that the coin price forecast believes that ADA tokens can grow by another 4,600% in the next 4.5 years, ending the year 2025 trading around $59? These guys believe that the recent bull run, as well as the FOMO when Cardano announces more updates, will be significant in helping this coin reach $9.73 before the end of the year. Prime XBT is a crypto specialist who is more optimistic about Cardano's price movement in the coming months. According to their analysis, the coin chart will first make a bearish source before consolidating and ending the year at $2. They also anticipate that ADA will follow a rounding sorter trend, and that by the end of 2023, it will be worth roughly $70. Before the next 3 to 4 years, there will be a correction. Will Cardano reach $1,000 by 2025? Even by Cardano's own criteria, the assertion that it will be worth $1,000 by 2025 is unrealistic. It's hard to defend the impossibility of that ridiculous sum by 2025. Crypto researchers also pointed out that for the coin to reach 1,000, it would need a market valuation of $45 trillion. That's more than 20 times the current market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. This would also imply that the crypto market has turned into a multi-billion-dollar sector. But, for now, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Cardano is a fantastic coin based on fantastic technology with an intriguing roadmap that captures the eye. Yet it is still a relatively new cryptocurrency. As a result, it has struggled to persuade both on-chain and off-chain dApp developers to use the platform. Furthermore, Cardano has yet to deploy critical infrastructure that would facilitate the use of its blockchain network. As a result, the majority of the Cardano development team's efforts in the coming years will be focused on completing the network's plan and driving traffic to the platform. These analysts, we believe, recognize that factors such as the ongoing DeFi expansion and Cardano's innovative platform will help boost ADA pricing. Nonetheless, they are skeptical that any of these factors will be sufficient to propel Cardano's prices over $1,000 in 2025. How much will 1,000 ADA be worth in 2025? If you accumulate thousands of Cardano tokens now at the present price of $1.25, they might be worth over $10,000 in 2025. That is, if the altcoin hits a price of about $10 per token, representing an 885% increase. We arrived at this figure after considering crypto analysts' predictions and analyses over the last few weeks. This assessment has a lot of merit because Cardano has a lot of potential to become a significant altcoin blockchain. They would have implemented significant protocol modifications 4 years from now. To put it another way, we expect Cardano roadmap projects to have a significant impact on the future price of ADA. And we can't seem to get our minds off the elephant in the room. Bitcoin and Cardano have a favorable price correlation. As a result, a bullish crypto market is projected to play a key role in driving the value of ADA higher. Cardano, which is ranked 5th on the log, has one of the largest market capitalizations. And, based on the number of trades performed per day on major platforms, this altcoin is undeniably popular among crypto enthusiasts. Despite frequent fluctuations, Cardano's value has steadily increased over time. It's no surprise that many partners believe in the coin's long-term growth potential. Despite the fact that the crypto market is turbulent and impossible to predict, all of these factors and industry dynamics indicate that this cryptocurrency is a good investment option for its investors. That's all for today's video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.